Welcome back to my latest venture in the I Tried It series, where I delve into various side hustles found right here on YouTube to determine their legitimacy and potential for earning extra cash. Today, armed with my trusty Starbucks drink, I tackle a particularly intriguing one from the Cash Proof channel. You might remember them from my previous videos, linked below, but this time it's all about the tantalizing promise in the title. Get paid $145 watching a Google ad. Now, imagine the allure of making $4.50 from a single 20-second ad. Who wouldn't want to park themselves in front of the screen all day for that kind of return? But let's dive into the reality of it, shall we? The process seems simple enough. Sign up on a website, complete tasks, share opinions and surveys, play games, and most importantly, watch videos and Google ads to rack up those earnings. As I navigated my way through the sign-up process on coin.com, a few key details caught my attention. Firstly, payments are made in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Litecoin, adding a modern twist to the earning potential. Upon sign-up, you're greeted with a tempting 1,000 coin bonus, though the conversion rates to Bitcoin might leave you doing some mental math. To get those coins rolling in, all it takes is watching Google ads. Each second spent watching an ad translates to coins in your virtual wallet, with each ad promising a certain coin haul. It sounds enticing, with the potential to stack up coins by engaging with various tasks like playing games or completing surveys, although the latter may require some qualification hurdles. Now, here's where things get interesting. With a daily stash of ads waiting to be watched, the path to accumulating enough coins for a withdrawal may span several months. Sure, you could spend 169 days watching ads diligently to cash out, but the practicality and payoff might leave you pondering a different approach. Opting for surveys can be a mixed bag. From qualifying to divulging personal info for a few extra coins, the trade-offs become apparent. And when it comes to the ad-watching routine, the process may feel like a slow burn towards a modest reward that might not match the effort invested. In conclusion, the enticing prospect of earning big bucks with minimal effort might fall short of reality. While some may find success with this method, my experience leans towards caution. But hey, individual results may vary, so if you've dabbled in this or similar ventures, share your insights below. Let's steer clear of the murky waters and aim for transparency in the online hustle game. Remember, knowledge is power, and your feedback could be invaluable to others embarking on similar journeys. Stay tuned for more exciting content ahead, and thank you for being a part of this adventure. Ciao.